Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you another slime recipe. And for this slime recipe, it will be with no borax. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some glue, and at the store that I went to they did not have Elmer's glue, so this works just as good. You're going to also need some shaving cream. Any type of shaving cream will work. And you're also going to need some laundry detergent, and I have watched a video where they tested different laundry detergents, and Tide and Persil are the only ones that work. So you can either get the regular Tide or the Tide Simply Clean and Fresh. Both of them work, and also I saw that Persil worked, but I haven't tested it out on my own yet. So let's get started. So let's get started on the first step. So the first step, you're going to unscrew the lid, and why we unscrew the lid is because it takes forever if you pour it out of the nozzle. It takes a very long time, drop by drop. So I'm going to just pour that in. And make sure that there are no air bubbles. Like you see right there, there are air bubbles because I think that I got a little bit of water mixed in with it, but that's okay. You can just stir them out. Next, I'm going to grab my spoon and I'm going to pop those air bubbles out and stir it so that there are no more air bubbles and it's not a giant mess. So now I'm going to take my shaving cream, my Barbasol shaving cream, and I'm going to just shake it up. And as you can see that my shaving cream barely has any left in it, so it will still work anyway. But see all those bubbles right there? It'll still work though. It'll still be fluffy slime. Next, I'm going to add some paint, and I have the kids paint, the non-stain paint. I don't have food coloring, so I would suggest using kids paint so it does not stain your hands. Like it didn't stain my hands. So now I'm gonna stir the color with my glue. I chose a very beautiful baby blue. It depends how much you put in it. If you want it to be a lighter color, put less in it. If you want it to be a darker color, then put more in it. I like it in the middle, like a sky blue almost. So now I'm going to, after mixing that up, I'm going to add just a tiny bit. Well, that really wasn't a tiny bit. Do not add as much as me. Add less than that because mine was kind of overactivated, but if you have it overactivated, if you put too much, then I would suggest letting it sit in hot water, and then that's what worked with mine. So as you can see, it's very stringy, but still it will work. It doesn't really matter because you can fix it with hot water. Now I'm going to start kneading it with my hands. You want to knead it really well, especially if it's overactivated. But even if it's not, knead it really well and squeeze all of the juice out of it. Or not really juice, but the leftover Tide. You will see bubbles. That is from the Tide. You know how when it washes, it foams up. But that will soon go away. And by the way, guys, I should have said this in the beginning, but I would not suggest using clear glue because clear glue, I don't think will work with Tide. Maybe it will, but it will fog up. So, but if you want it, that is okay. I'm not sure if it'll work though. So now I got it finished. So as you can see, it is pokeable and it is pretty stretchy too. After I soaked it in the hot water for a while, it worked. Yay! Thank you guys for watching. Bye, guys!